Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Redmi K40 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how we can take screenshot on this device. Actually, we have three methods. I'm going to show you all of them. The first one, you have to find power key and the volume down button and click them at the same time. Just like that. Take a look. Power key and volume down button at the same time. As you can see, we can easily take screenshot. When you enter for this screenshot, you have to tap on the right upper corner to save, and that's it. That's how we can make it by using keys. The next one, you have to open notification bar from the right side, and you have to open it again and find the screenshot icon. It will be probably somewhere here. And then you have to click this icon once, and the screenshot will be taken. If you don't have here this icon, just open, click on the edit icon, and take a look if it is not here in the available toggles. If it's here, just tap on the plus and it will appear here. So that's how the second method looks. And the last one, you have to go for the settings, find additional settings, then go for the gesture shortcuts and tap on the take a screenshot. Right now, when you enter for this option, you have to activate slide 3 fingers down and just make this gesture. As you can see, we can easily catch every screen that we have in the phone by using all of the three methods. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.